You must stop saying this to transform your life in 2025. If you feel stuck or overwhelmed by negative thoughts, don't say, "I'm stuck." Say, "I'm figuring it out as I go." Don't say, "I'm just trying." Say, "I'm making it happen." Don't say, "I'll never finish." Say, "I'm getting closer with every step." Don't say, "I'll do it later." Say, "Let's get started right now." Don't say, "I'm afraid of trying." Say, "I'm brave enough to give it a shot." Don't say, "I don't know where to start." Say, "I'll start somewhere and figure the rest out." Don't say, "I can't do this." Say, "I've done hard things before, I can do this too." Don't say, "It's too late for me." Instead say, "It's never too late to try." Don't say, "I'm not good at this." Say, "I'm learning. I'll get better." Don't say, "I'm overwhelmed." Say, "One step at a time, I can do this." Don't say, "I'm too tired." Say, "I'll feel better once I get moving." Don't say, "I'm not lucky." Say, "I create my own chances." Don't say, "I'm not smart enough." Say, "I can learn anything if I put in the effort." Don't say, "I'm just average." Say, "I'm getting better every day." Don't say, "I'll never be successful." Say, "I'm building my success, step by step." Don't say, "I can't make a difference." Say, "Even small actions can create big changes." Don't say, "It's too hard." Say, "I can figure this out, one step at a time." Don't say, "I don't have time." Say, "I'll make time for what really matters." Don't say, "I'm not motivated." Say, "I'll get started. Motivation will follow." Don't say, "I'll try." Say, "I'm committed to getting this done." Don't say, "I'm not ready." Say, "Starting now is how I get ready." Don't say, "I'll figure it out later." Say, "I'll take action now and adjust along the way." Don't say, "I'll think about it." Say, "I'll make a decision and move forward." Don't say, "I don't know where to begin." Say, "I'll start small and build from there." Don't say, "I can't handle this, let's try. I'll break this down and tackle it step by step." Don't say, "I might mess it up." Say, "Even mistakes are progress." Don't say, "It's impossible." Say, "Let's find a way to make this happen." Which phrase resonated with you the most? If you're new here, consider joining our community. Don't say, "I'll subscribe later." Say, "I'm hitting subscribe now, so I won't miss the next life-changing insight." Your words shape your reality. Be careful how you talk to yourself, even in passing. Your brain takes everything you say seriously, whether you mean it or not. The way you speak to yourself sets the tone for how you think, feel, and act. Choose words that build you up, not break you down. Change your inner dialogue, and you'll change the way you experience life. Ready to dive deeper? Watch our next video, How Your Words Control Your Reality. And don't say, "Goodbye." Say, "See you."